Okay, so we're dealing with working with radical terms, okay? So this very question here, number 1, or example 1, has asked us to essentially solve this, or in one way you could say simplify this question, okay? So something is equal to this. What we're going to do is we're going to look at each of the terms, and we're going to try to break it up into factors, okay? We're going to look for factors that are actually able to find whole numbers of their square root. So for instance, root 3, well, the factors of 3, if we drew like a factor tree, are just 3 and 1, right? Well, we can always square root 1, but it's going to be 1. It's not going to change anything. And root 3 is going to be some decimal number. So we can't really change this one so much. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to focus on 12. Let's think of two numbers that multiply to 12. Well, there's many factors, right? We have 2 and 6. Can I square root any of these two numbers to get a whole number?
No.
No, neither of those will work. 2 and 6, do you know any other factors to 12?
4 and 3.
4 and 3. Can I square root any of those numbers to get a whole number?
Yeah.
Which one?
4.
That's right. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to break root 12 into two terms. We're going to break it into root 4 times root 3. Okay. Still not being the same thing. Plus root 3. Well, since we can solve what root 4 is, we know that root 4 is equal to 2. This question now becomes 2 root 3's. Okay, and there should be a root 3 here, plus root 3. So think of it like this now. This is almost like a term itself, our root 3's. Okay, you can almost think of it like an x. And now there's coefficients. The coefficient in front of this is 2, and what's the coefficient would be in front of this?
1.
1. So it's kind of like 2 plus 1. What is 2 plus 1?
3.
3. So when we go to simplify this, let's scroll the page down a little. When we go to simplify this, 2 plus 1 is 3, so we have 3. And because our root 3's are the same, 3 root 3 is the simplified version of this question. Okay? So our goal here was to break the question up into something we can actually find a root of. And we're trying to find radicals that are the same. So we knew this had radical 3, so essentially one way we know we'd be able to simplify this if we can break our other term into some form of a radical of 3, right? And we did. We broke it into radical 4 and radical 3, the square roots to be exact. Okay? So that's a quick version.